how to fix Instagram Reels liked by friends not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram Reels liked by your friends are not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open Instagram and let's check. After opening your Instagram, you can go with your Reels. Under Reels, as you can see that on the right side, you will have a friends section. If you tap on friends, then you will find the Reels that your friends have either reposted or liked. But if you don't get this option, then what you need to do is just simply go back, open up your Play Store, search for Play Store, and here you need to go with your search bar and then search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates on your Instagram, you just need simply go and update it. Once you update it, your problem will be fixed because Instagram has added this feature with the latest update. So once you've updated, it will fix your problem. But if it's still not showing the friends reel, then you can just simply go and uninstall the application. After uninstalling, you can again install it, and after that, it might be updated and your problem might be fixed. If you're still not getting this feature, then it might be because of your region and country restrictions. Certain features may not be available in all the regions since this is a new feature. It might take some time for this to be available to everyone. So you want to simply update the application and check after some time. And that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.